Hey guys, I'm Dan and welcome to the Basement Dino Dungeon. Today, we have a new figure to add to our sea animals Gashapon right here. This is my entire collection of Japanese Gashapon figurines right here. They are all sea animals, so we're gonna be adding this one to the collection. And we will have a new box to contain all these different sea animals. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Alright guys, let's have a look at this new set. I think this figure was sent to us by Jeremiah, who is a extremely loyal Dan Safarian who has been sending us plenty of figures almost every single week. So thanks Jeremiah, if you're watching this, thanks for sending us this awesome, what is this from? Asahi Yama capsule. It looks very beautiful. Okay, let's see how we can actually attach this. I think you have to pop this right in like this. There are two little holes there. Yep, and there you go. You can see it looks very cool, and you can just pop the polar bear into this little base. Looks very cool. It's basically a polar bear. Is this our first polar bear? Nope, not exactly, because we do have one right over here. This is a beautiful one. Okay, so this is a new figure. Asahi Yama capsule. I'll try to add more of this Asahi Yama figure. Okay, I'll try to get more of them. Okay, now let's take a look at our entire collection of the Gashapons, okay? First one, let's have a look at this. What is this? This is a beautiful bowhead whale. Is this a bowhead whale? It could be. Okay, the little base, I think they are all mixed up, so I think this is really nice. Oh, this is the right whale. I think this is the bowhead whale. Okay, next, we have an orca as well as an orca baby. So orcas, they are also known as killer whales. They are apex predators. They are the strongest in the sea. They can take down even whales, okay? This one with a polar bear, as you can see. Okay, I think the base is actually wrong. So it's a polar bear and a cub right over here. Extremely cool. Now you take a look at this one. This is a beluga whale. And you can see the beluga whale, it's like blowing a ring of bubbles. So it looks really cool. I'm gonna put this one right over here. Next, we take a look at this. This is not exactly a sea animal because it is not in the ocean. It does not live in the ocean. These are basically Betta fish, also known as fighting fish. Extremely popular in Thailand. In fact, I think this is actually their national fish. Beautiful. Here's another one. This is a blue metallic version. I think it looks really nice. Next, let's take a look at this. This is a beautiful pair of dolphins. I think this one came off, so you can actually put it right back. A little ring. I think dolphins, they are very intelligent. Beautiful one. I'm gonna put it right here. Next, we have a Whaleshark. This is a really beautiful one. You can see plenty of corals, plenty of rocks. Whalesharks, they are filter feeder. They don't eat big fish for food. They take in all the water and filter out all the small food particles like krill, streams. And here we have a manta ray, beautiful. Comes with a nice background with some bubbles right here, some sea corals, really beautiful. And here we have a sea turtle. Comes with a little base, and this is actually from Takara Tomy Arts. Takara Tomy Arts, they produce plenty of really fantastic figures. Okay, this set right here, it's amazing. You can see we have whale sharks. We have some other fish right here. We have blue tangs. We also have a manta ray. So this is a really gorgeous one. And this is actually from this brand called qualia. Really gorgeous little one. What is this? I think this is an alligator turtle, not snapping turtle. I think so, not exactly very sure. We have more figures right here, guys. Check this out, plenty of them. This one is really cool. It's actually from Jaws, if I'm not wrong, from Takara Tomy Arts. And you can see this, it's okay. How do we put this? We have to pop this little steel bar. Oops, it came off. It can be quite flimsy. Okay, so you have to be really careful when you're popping this in. It's kind of yeah, it comes off very easily, and you can see this is a great white shark, and there's also like blood in the mouth. So this is actually quite a ferocious and gruesome looking shark. I think part of his face is actually damaged or injured. Next, what kind of turtle is this, guys? Do you guys know it? Let me know down below. We have plenty of different sea turtles. It doesn't have the name. Different species of sea turtles right here. Here's another one. Really beautiful. I like this. I like this little shark head. This one, let's see where this is actually produced. Can't remember which manufacturer actually made this. So if you guys know, let me know. But this is a beautiful great white. This is a hammerhead shark. Very gorgeous looking. It looks kind of cute. Does not look as gruesome as the previous one. We also have a goblin shark. This is a nice one. Next, we have a dugong. And this is from Qualia as well. Some sea plants right over there. Yep, beautiful. And here we have one of the fish from the Weird Sea Animals collection. This is a red fish. And this one is actually from Colorata, another Japanese company. Okay. And take a look at this. This is another fish from the Weird Sea Animals collection. This is the gulper eel. Very strange looking. I think this is one of the sea animals that actually looks like an alien. Okay, next we have a very nice sea turtle little figurine. And you can see this is like the beach, the sand on the beach. And basically the turtle will dig a little hole and lay eggs inside, and they'll just leave the beach. And here we have another betta fish, and this is a yellow version, beautiful one. Right at the back we have a huge one, and this is actually the sperm whale. The sperm whale, you can easily recognize it with its squarish head, and this part I think can be removed. Comes with a base of its own, so you can actually display this on your desk. It will look very nice. This one is really nice. It's a great white shark. I think it's chasing after a seal. Really gorgeous looking as well. Next, we have a very cool looking great white, or it could be like a megalodon. I think this is from Jaws. And it comes with some accessories. So this is like, you know, glass breaking. You can basically use it to break it. It's very nice. You can actually remove this. So it seems like the glass has break. Very cool. It's not easy to put it back. So you have to try it. Yeah, I can put it back. So you can basically use this to demonstrate one of the movie scenes, I suppose. Okay, next. We have plenty more turtles and tortoises. It's very hard for me to tell you the name because I don't really know. But this one is definitely an alligator snapping turtle. It has an extremely huge bite force. This one is the Indian star tortoise, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Some of them are like turtles and tortoises from China, which I can't remember the name. This is a terrapin. also known as a red ear slider. More bettas. A fiery red betta and with a beautiful angelic white betta right here. Both of them are really gorgeous. Next, we have another diorama, and you can see this one actually comes with a little shark, and this is like the ocean sea floor. You see, you can just pop this right in with the tail popping out, so it looks like, you know, the shark is attacking the people, and you can also catch a glimpse of the shark from here. You can see it quite faintly, very beautiful. And here we have another one also from the same series. Movable jaw, movable tail, comes with a little stand. This is from Universal Studios as well. So I think this is part of the Jaws set. The Jaws is basically like a 1980s movie which was very popular. And here's another one from the Weird Sea Animal series. Anglerfish, this little organism, and I mean not actually an organism, but part of its body is actually like a light bulb. It will emit light that will attract the prey. Yep. And here we have another very weird looking fish. You can see the eyes can be seen through this glass-like feature of his body. It's very incredible. And what is this? Can you guys tell me what type of fish is this? If you guys know, that will be really helpful. I think this is a grouper, or it could be like a snapper. Beautiful one as well. And here we have another anglerfish, if I'm not wrong. Is it an anglerfish? I think so. Let's see. Football fish. Not too sure what it is. This one is known as the barrel eye fish. So it actually comes with the names below. So this one probably have the name below as well. Let's have a look. Chimera. But I know this as a red fish. What about this one? Let's have a look. It's known as the pelican eel. I thought it's known as the gulper eel. I'm not too sure. I mean, sometimes the Japanese translation might not be the best. Here we have another fish. Beautiful one. This one, I can't really tell what kind of fish it is. And here's another really beautiful black betta, which looks very mysterious, very majestic. Very cool, I like it. And our last figure is another tortoise. Okay, so this is basically my collection of Japanese Gashapons. In case that you guys don't know what is a Gashapon, they are basically like little figures that you get from a vending machine. You insert a little token or a coin, and you get a little capsule. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting this into a new box, and I'll definitely love to expand my sea animals capsule collection. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching this. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.